This is the ROG STRIX Z690-I gaming Wi-Fi motherboard, and it packs quite a punch running Intel's latest LGA 1700 Gen CPU while measuring 6.7 by 6.7 inches. This mini-ITX sized board integrates Asus ROG's latest triple-decker heatsink design for better cooling and still manages to pull off double-sided heatsinks for each M.2 slot as well. And for your convenience, both have the nifty QLED system for M.2 installation. Space optimization is super important for small form factor builds. So for the first time, Asus is introducing the ROG front panel SATA card that provides easy access to route the case front panel wires, but also integrates for SATA ports as well. And because we aim to break all limits with ROG Z690 boards, not only Z690 is PCIe 5.0 available, but the DDR5 RAM now carries a comprehensive overclocking tool allowing you to push past the 1.1 volt PMIC restrictions. Additionally, game with confidence with Intel's Wi-Fi 6E or use 2.5 gig Ethernet port. Enjoy endless connectivity options with 7 USB Type-A ports and 2 Thunderbolt 4 rated USB Type-C ports in ROG STRIX Z690-I gaming mini-ITX board. This is truly the small form factor enthusiast's dream board for those who dare to push past the boundaries. The ROG Z690 iGaming motherboard.